Okay, hello, hello.
I'm sending you to Kuwait.
Whoa, is this Golang?
We are
Going up
What's
in here.
that?
okay. Before I even talk about Golang, I was reading code when Golang was still like at the beginning. People like saying how Go was cool, so I found this cool. Not it's not cool, but it's just the way how. Well, it could be used in a way to attack other people. Just like I was talking about the X code, like using other people's packages and not reading the code, and they could potentially have like backdoors in it. Same thing can happen with the same thing can you can do that with Golang. So just like how Java has like the program flow, like it goes init function before it goes to main, because usually people think the main function is the first one, which is not. So the same thing happens with Go. It's actually the init function and the main function and whatever. So what we can do is we can create our own like awesome package called open doors. It's just going to print out a beautiful message, nothing special. But in the beginning of the init function, we are going to put in a backdoor so we can have access to wherever website, whatever they use our packages for. So let's go. I know this is not live coding if I have the code next to me, but pretend like it's not there. I didn't remember this. Okay, first we need to create the package, whatever. We're gonna call it doors. Oh, and by the way, in the new version of Golang, you cannot just create, you can't just do go get a package name. Now you have to do go mode in it. Yes. It took me quite some time. Just do that before you run anything. It gets really annoying. Luckily, I don't have the updated version, so I don't have to deal with that yet. Okay, and again, if you're using packages, the folder name and the package got to be the same name, I think, right? Is that the right? Yes. If you don't, that's another problem. We don't want to have that. And obviously, we need to do the package doors. So we're going to have our exported function, which is going to be called good boy, or good doors, actually. And all this does is just print. One second, I forgot. It prints hello. Surprisingly, this works. I didn't think this would work, but when I do just print ln, it actually doesn't need me to do the fnt. I don't know if it's just my, I don't know if it's just mine or just in general. So, yeah, I was like, huh. So what we're gonna do is welcome to my program. I can't spell.
Yes. Come on, Muggus. Nothing to see here. The Muggus. We do a little That's what should be up there.
And yeah, so we can just have this in our main function, package main. I don't know how to write I don't know how to write a go like a. I'm just gonna copy this. Don't pretend that it's not here. I'm just gonna explain the code so everyone.
Oh, that's fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? Leave. No one wants you here.
When you said go. Whoa.
Wait, can I mute myself for a second? I'm gonna.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm just doing homework actually.
Okay, whatever. So back to. So we're gonna import our package, the go, so we can just call the good function right here. And by doing that, there's multiple ways you can call packages, but I'm gonna use I had a custom go path, so I don't have to use the /user/go/source, whatever. I have mine, so I can just do stuff like this. So I'm gonna call this live code because that's what it's called. Actually, one second. live code, lowercase. Cool. Live code doors. So that would be that directory over there. Also the package name on top of your package, and we can just call it right there. That's if this works. Oh, I called it good doors. We pretend this does not exist for now. So if we run this, it should print out this for us. So cd live code, go run. Voila. So this program is using our program, and that's it. We're done. Except if we want to be really, especially if this is a web package, we can really have some fun with it. We can, in the beginning right here, we can do a function in it. Obviously, because this is just the program flow, it's always going to run the init function first. I don't know if there's something before that, but obviously this runs. So you can put whatever you want in here. And if you have a really large code base, I doubt people are going to try to read your code, except they're really, really trying to understand how it works. But if you really have a large code base, people are just going to ignore your code and use it for what they think it would do. And you can have some fun stuff like code execution, like this beautiful, beautiful. You can have this. 1 second. Function. I don't know how to import. I wrote this. I promise. This was 13 months ago, according to my repo. So I don't remember what I did. But, so you do all of this. Voila, voila. Why is it not fading out? Oh, there it is. So now every time you, because you wrote this package and you know you can put a backdoor here. So you can say every time someone goes to, if anyone is using your program and you know of that web server or whatever, you obviously know of the backdoor you put in there. And it's going to make this much cooler. Backdoor. So yeah, so every time anyone goes to /backdoor, it just executes this function. And it does not have to be called, just like how we call this, it does not have to be called. You just need to know what you did in the init function. So right there, you can do, well, this person, innocent programmer, just, oh, this program has a cool message. I just want to use it. So they call it, and that's it. They just write the rest of their program. So they have this beautiful, quick web server that just says, hello world, on port 8080, and that's it. Nothing malicious about that. Then let's just imagine we really have like a 1,000 line of code, and for some reason you put your init function in the middle, where no one would, where someone probably just pass it. So, yeah, innocent. The person doesn't know about this. If you go to just run it, obviously it's a web server, so it's listening for whatever traffic you're trying to do. But if you go to localhost, it's working as expected. That's really small.
Nice web server.
Yes, it just says hello. But
I hope there's nothing malicious on this site.
yeah, 1 second. Don't move away. Damn it. But if you, obviously you wrote the back door, but if you just go to the back door, I think it was just this, it shows nothing. So you can actually just redirect this /backdoor or whatever back to the main, to the index that to the main site, so it doesn't look suspicious. But on the server side, you can see it run your command over there. So it's going to run the ls command. So you can do pretty much anything. You don't have to run command direct. Well, you can run commands directly on the target machine, but obviously you can always send it back to your own server so it doesn't look suspicious in the logs. I mean, it still shows if you go to the /backdoor, but hey, some people might have so many logs they don't read it. But let's see, what else can we do? I mean, it's at this point you can do whatever. You can just, I mean, what else will you say? You can do whatever. You have full control of what you can do with your package, and it's up to the developer to really read your code and decide if they want to use it. And I thought this was pretty, I mean, it's not like crazy, but it's just a cool thing you could do, but not do.
So if you went to slash backdoor and then maybe like if you did slash backdoor slash and then whatever you
Ooh, that is a good point.
command almost.
Slash back.
Yeah.
Wait, like what?
Yeah, no, yeah, not URL parameter. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, again, this was 13 months. I didn't know Go. I was just trying to do a proof of concept to myself, but after I was trying to fix it there, I was like, it would make sense if I just did that, but it's demo. Yeah, it's like I have to read code, and I don't want to do Golang that much. Well, yeah, so that's one way. It's just like the Xcode kind of what do you call that? Backdoor? Yeah, so you can backdoor packages just by using the way the program flow works and just take over the universe. Yeah, that's one. That's really cool Go stuff. Another one, yes, right. Let me stop this. Is nothing special. You guys know of those websites where you can just like, if you need like to send something to a friend, but you don't want to copy and paste. Well, yeah. There's like Pastebin, a lot of bins. There's also this new, yeah. There's this one called termbin.com. It's really cool. Obviously, most of these are open source. So what you can do is you can read the code and try to see how they generate the last few. Well, what's the word? The slash. God, I don't know URLs. I'll just show you example. So, like example, like if I do echo hi to netcat term bin.
You lost the thingy. Hold on.
This is the first time today, right?
Yeah.
Second time.
Significantly improved from the last time.
Yeah.
At least the camera's coming.
Okay, so like let's say I want to share what I have my current directory with someone else. You can just do the ls-la and pipe that into to the web server at 999, and it gives you a beautiful URL. So if you go there, oh by the way, I found this cool thing. I don't have to copy and paste. I just have to do this, and it copies. And if you go there, it shows you what I have. So it's really cool. I don't know how long it stays there for, but it's there for an X amount of time. And if you really want to read the code, there's always the source code, and you can read how it generates that last. Yeah, you can figure out how they generate this. Yeah, so with that, what I was able to do is, I'm just gonna Vim it. You guys can read Vim. I'm gonna Vim it. Nope, no, that's the wrong one. Never mind, I decided to use terminal. Okay, so this is a really easy one. So you can write this simple generator where you have the base URL, and again, there's like multiple sites that does the same thing, so you can have that. And usually the URL path is just between the alphabet and just the numbers, so you can have that over there. And you can generate the endpoints by just, again, it's randomly generated. I did read that there was some seeds, like just to have like a consistent type of endpoints. So you can read that to implement it in here. Yeah, so with that, you can just constantly create random endpoints and try to see if you ever find a valid URL. Obviously, it's not always going to work because maybe it's too short, too long, not available. But if you have this running for God knows how long. You can I did get a 202, not 202, a 200 one time, and it was some weird document. But yeah. So you write that code. This is my beautiful firewall, and you can just let this run for how long as you want. And I just did it, so it tells me the error code, and and if there's a 202, you can just opt to the website to see what it is, and yeah, I thought, okay, this is pretty cool, but it's annoying. That's all I'll say. You'll be surprised. So there's an equivalent of this, which is they upload pictures, and there are a lot of pictures in there. Oh yeah, sus. And yeah, you can do the same thing for those websites. There's like newer website I see every day that does the same exact concept, and they're open source. So copy the way they do oof, the way they create the endpoint, and just have that, and just also you can have this as, should I do it? I'll do 100. I'll do 50 just to be safe. Yeah, just do this. Have like a AWS server, just crawling the website and open to find something juicy, and eventually, I believe you'll find something. Let's try this one more time. Maybe we'll be lucky. Fuck.
No, it'll be fun.
Yeah, if it's there, you guys. I was thinking about that. That's why I did at 20. Yeah, so like you can really optimize this this code to be. How do you do? How you do a Go routine? Do I just go? I know how to do a Go routine, but I don't know. This is code was like, again, about a year ago. I don't know. Okay. Let's do this. So I can just put this. Okay. Yep, we're doing some live coding right here. Uh, so execute right here. It creates the URL. No, just copy this. And I think based on this might not work in my head. Yeah, I'm not looping. So oh yeah, I remember that. Like this?
You don't want to do that. You want to do probably let's get outside of that. Because you're gonna run every single run is gonna make another every single time. Non-stop. You're gonna have a lot of different routines. Go for.
So like right here?
Yes, but how many endpoints does he want to generate?
Like that?
It won't stop any of those go routines. No, it will. Yeah, you could do that.
That works? Okay. We actually did some live coding, not the one I had like 2 years ago. Okay, let's try this. Please don't break my computer. Or just don't get banned. Okay, that's a lot. So it's so fast. It actually generated the endpoints, but it didn't give me the error code, which is sad because that's what I wanted. I thought
Oh yeah, you go.
too many sockets.
Oh yeah, Dan and I, we got this on our database because we opened about. Well, you might not have.
So what do I do? I don't know.
It doesn't like that. You can only run. Wait, no. Why is it There's a hard limit on the file system for the number of sockets.
Oh. Well, the point is, you get how code works. The point is not to show you how to do Go routine. That's not my job. I just wanted to.
Your job.
No,
Keep working on it.
that's those guys over there. That's Fred's. And
Fix this code. Fix this code.
you guys want to do some live coding for me?
Isn't it like wait group? Or no, sync dot wait group.
Oh, yeah. You have to add the go routines to the main way through.
That's fine.
No, that's.
You just sleep.
We are now going to do some live coding.
Live coding, searching on.
Go into-
Totally it.
I sleep.
Okay, the first one. Do I use the first one? We use the first one.
Add the multiple way group.
That's if you want to be proper about it. I don't think you want to be proper.
Why not be proper? You can take all way through.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the end.
You need to multiply by seconds.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, that'll do it. It's doing milliseconds.
Time dot seconds.
That's 5,000 seconds.
Yeah, you might want to make it like every 5 seconds instead.
That?
No. Just five. Just five. Just five.
There we go.
Okay, the one reason I don't have time implemented in my Discord.go is because I didn't understand time, so I just didn't do anything with time. Hey, I did not say I'm a good, but I am a
Now, bro.
I mean, that's not going to change anything.
Ours
It's
has
5,000 milliseconds.
Okay.
That was the easiest.
Is it gonna work? Let's see. Wait, 1 second. I have to.
It's the same thing.
I have to stop this firewall.
I mean, probably.
Okay.
It's not. It's gonna be fun while it happens.
Hey.
Hey,
Now we wait for 5 seconds. That's slow.
Waiting for 5
That's
make it 1 second. Then. You'll make it fast.
damn. It's like coding is so fun.
We love coding. Yo, we love coding.
This is why you don't code in front of your friends because they make you feel like you're either good or not good.
How long till Perfect.com bans IT bans?
I really hope there's a 202. I'm really hoping. I doubt it, but hey, no, it's by 1 second.
Oh no, we can DDoS.
Oh, you can make it by 0.5 seconds.
Yeah, make it 0.25 seconds.
Full. Well, you get the point. You can have this run as long as you want. Come
No one's allowed to leave until we get a 200.
on. I really don't want to leave till I get a 200, but that's going to take so long.
Set it to 0.25.
0.25.
0.25.
Yeah, it's not a good code. Oh, wait.
Oh. You gotta do milliseconds. Do 500 milliseconds.
Can you write that for me? Philip is texting me. Can someone tell him to be here?
Uh-oh, we're going too fast.
Yeah, that's why I had it wait 1 second for the.
Oh, no, it's getting the hang of it now.
It got into the flow of it.
Sometimes it hangs up. You can also just automate it to check the status each time.
I was thinking that, but no, we want to see it fail.
URL if it gets to 200.
But I know that's not going to work for the most part. That's why I needed to see all of this until I get banned.
This is more fun.
Yeah.
We like seeing this. Come on.
At one point, I wanted to make this really, really good. But again, being the ethical student I am, I'm not going to write this that's really good and I get banned and not use the website, even though I can run my version. But still, I want it to be a good example of a cybersecurity.
Definitely weren't just lazy about it.
Yeah. Also, this is the first time I wrote Go, and I was like, is this good? I don't know. Then I stopped for a while,
Yes.
and I did more of C because I was like, C is the best.
Is C still the best, Emmanuel?
I mean, I'm thinking of taking mechanics of programming to decide if it's really good. So, we'll see how that next semester goes. Well, this is my life coding. It's not the best. It's not the.
It
It's
was
not.
the greatest.
It's not the best. It's not the worst.
Was the
But
best.
it was fun watching me try to decode how to use the time process. But yeah, have some fun. Stream. I don't think we're. Oh yeah, we're recording.
Still streaming. Hooray.
Hooray! That's it.